Hey, fellas, John Marks Mugs. Send out another one of our mug stags. This one is going to Mr. Ty. Mr. Ty, here's your stag. You wanted one about 410, something like that. This stag's right about that weight. And beautiful rooster. Look at that head. Excellent station. Great body on this rooster. He's marked double left. Wing band number 573. 573. With all my mug roosters, ones we ship is, you see the great demeanor on them, right? A lot of black chickens that eat you alive. These chickens here got good demeanors. He'll be coming to you. Thank you, brother. Hey, fellas, it's John Marks Mugs. Shipping out one of our mug stags. This is going to Mr. Jesus. Jesus, here's your stag that you selected. Going with the super dark face. It's just a baby. You see his spurs. He's marked double left. Wing band number is 570. Super demeanor on this rooster. Great body. You'll like him. Thank you, sir. Hey, guys, it's John Marks Mugs. Excuse me. We got one of our Asil stags going out. This stag's going to Mr. Adrian Ramos. Mr. Ramos, here's your stag. Unbelievable body on this stag. Wait till you get him out of the box. I want to show you his great station on him, but look at his spurs. Just a baby. This stag is marked left outside. His wing band looks like 569. 559 or 569. I believe it's 569. I need reading glasses, brother. Sorry. Anyways, beautiful rooster. Look at that. Look at the head on that rooster. You talk about health. Hey, fellas, it's John Marks Mugs. We're shipping out one of our, well, actually there's 4 of them in this group. But this mug stag's going to Mr. Jorge Jesus. Mr. Jorge, here's your mug stag. Beautiful young stag. Got a great body. This stag is marked double left toe punch. Wing band is, looks like 568. 568. Beautiful stag. He'll be coming to you. Thank you, sir. Hey, fellas, it's John Marks Mugs. And shipping out one of our mug brood pullets. This pullet's going to Mr. Jorge de Jesus. Here is your brood pullet, black faced. And you talk about a beautiful pullet. I mean, built right. Body's unbelievable. Wait, when you get my chickens out of the box, you'll see what I'm talking about when I say about their bodies. Fantastic bodies. This pullet here, excuse me. This pullet here is band number is 0571. 0571. Beautiful pullet. She's laying. Well, she's a dandy. Thank you, brother. Hey, fellas, it's John Marks Mugs. Send out one of our Asil pullets. This is going to Mr. Jorge de Jesus. Jorge, here's your pullet. Beautiful Asil pullet. Look at that head. Beautiful pullet. Great body. This pullet's marked right hand toe punch. Wing band number 572. Thank you, brother.